These cool overnights.
Ooh.
Really feeling it already this week.
Yeah, I kind of like it, although
Yeah?
I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this on TV, but
Throw it out there.
I'm not a
Let's hear it.
I'm
Yeah,
not good
rolling.
at sleeping with the windows open.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
You have talked about this.
I get annoyed by nature,
Yeah.
and
That's fair.
which is different than
Your
naughty
sound
by nature.
machine right next to your head isn't drowning it
It's
out?
you would think. So, but I always think this is perfect weather for it.
Yes.
I know.
It is.
But my windows are wide open.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
I don't.
Extra blanket, wide
I
open
can't.
windows. Yep.
I want to because it's so nice. But then I told you we got foxes and stuff. They're screaming in the middle of the night. It's I don't know. I can't drown it out. Anyways, it seems like it'd be good for it. Last night actually got a bit cooler than that. Maybe 38 in Sanford, 46 in Portland. This is this morning. We'll do a little bit better tonight, be a few degrees warmer. Temperatures already on the decline now. We got into the low 70s. We're in the 60s at the moment. Remember, the sun setting just a little after 7 this time of the year. But it was comfortable today, around 70, 71. The mountain stayed in the 60s. We'll take that up a notch tomorrow and into Thursday. But I think the real headline is this is the kind of clear blue sky. George Strait reference? Anyone?
Yeah.
Anyone? All right, thank you. That you can really only get this time of the year. Occasionally you can get it, obviously in the middle of the winter, but as far as nice weather and this type of sky cover, this is a September, early October thing. Big ridge of high pressure in place. It's going to stay here for the next 2 days, and temperatures will just get a little bit warmer during that time period. Few clouds tonight floating around. Unlikely that you'll notice them though. They'll be in the mountains, and obviously it will be overnight. Tomorrow's another sunny day. This time we're 78, 79, maybe 80 degrees as opposed to the low 70s. So I think it plays more summery. Dew points still remain low, so it's still very comfortable. We do that again on Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday are very similar days in a good way. Upper 70s to around 80 degrees here Thursday afternoon. And then the second half of the day, Friday, we're likely to see some clouds increase along the coastline. Models kind of duking it out as to what that cloud cover looks like, how thick it's going to be at that point. So high pressure in place, nice strong ridge. That's why we're nice today, and we will be the next 2 days in the first half of Friday. It slides out of the way. We squeeze one more dry day, it looks like on Saturday, between this ridge and these approaching fronts. And then things get a bit more complicated on Sunday. This doesn't look like a washout of a weekend at all, but it's just a matter of when these showers move in on Sunday. And the steering flow here is pretty complicated. We've got a low to our east, another low to our west that's occluded, and then the front has to swing through on Sunday afternoon. So the timing, I think, could slow down a little bit and give us more of the day on Sunday. Right now we do have showers in the forecast Sunday, but I think it's more afternoon. Temperatures come back down during that time period after being actually above average the next 2 days. No big heat here, guys, but I do think the difference between 72 and 78, 79 is pretty big, and I think that's something you'll notice the next couple of days, and then it should be dry on Saturday. Showers possible Sunday. As I mentioned, the timing on that is a little bit up in the air still, likely to continue with a couple showers to start on Monday. But a really nice dry stretch of weather. And I'm sorry, you've heard it 3 times today. First week of September, every time is amazing.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
And it already looks like next week we see a little change.
Yeah, a little bit more unsettled than certainly compared to this week.
Well, Brian, you just got to get through the next 2 days, and then you'll be in the cooler
fine.
weather.
Oh, yes.
I'm fine with
I've been
it.
waiting
It's
all year
great
for this.
news.
Thanks, Keith.